Karun,
Hi,
what's up?
a Lego refrigerator.
A Lego refrigerator?
Yes.
Wow, amazing, Karun. It looks so good. This is what you've been doing last 4 or 5 hours. My God, this is fantastic. Great job. Can you explain how your refrigerator works?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the door,
Okay.
and this is the hot cold water.
Oh, you have a water purifier
Yes.
built in it. Wow,
Yes.
beautiful. Okay.
So we can open the fridge.
Okay.
So this is there, right?
Yeah.
That it is.
Wow. Can I have a look inside your fridge?
Yes.
It's so good, Karun. It's beautiful.
Even water at the bottom.
Oh, you have added water as well in the bottom. Wow, wonderful, Karun. Amazing.
So this is there, right?
Yeah.
I can open it. I can drink it.
Okay.
Put it back.
Wow. Beautiful, Karun. Beautiful. Great job. I mean, you have spent hours together doing this, and it's just come out so beautifully. Well done. Good job.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.